Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Oral-B IO3 electric toothbrush is not charging, it can be frustrating because the brush becomes unusable without power. You may place it on the charger and notice there is no light, no vibration or no sign that it is charging. Many people think the battery is damaged right away, but in most cases, the issue is related to the charger positioning or contact points. Since this model uses magnetic charging, proper placement and clean connections are very important. Even a small issue like water, dirt, or misalignment can stop the charging process. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix an Oral-B IO3 that is not charging. So, try this. 1. Safely. Make sure the charger is plugged into a working power outlet. 2. Place the toothbrush correctly on the charging base. 3. Clean the bottom of the brush and charging surface. 4. Check the charging cable and adapter for any damage. 5. Try a different power outlet to rule out power issues. 6. Leave it on the charger for some time and check again.